Happy birthday Ate Aning. Mag-enjoy ka ngayong araw na ito. Wish ko lang sana maging masaya ka pa more. And happy birthday ulit. Thank you for being a member of my fam. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Hello, Ate Aning! Happiest birthday to you! Oh my God! Nagbo-birthday pa lang ate ko na yun. Charis. So, ayun, happy birthday. Sana mag-enjoy ka today, for tomorrow, forever and beyond. Infinity and beyond. Ay, charis. So, ayun, wish ko lang magkaroon ka ng good health pang habang buhay, and also sa mga babies mo, sa mga mahal mo sa buhay. Sa inyo ni Kuya Chowder, sana mas magtagal pa kayo. Always choose to be happy and to be in love. Ayan, magmahalan lang kayo. And sana hindi mawawala sa puso't isipan mo ang peace of mind. Very importante yan. So, alam mo naman that I'm very thankful that I have ate like you. So, ayun, happy birthday ate. I love you. Mwah!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Aning. Happy birthday, Aning. Love you. This is Oreo from Kape Farm na nagsasabi, sana bigyan ka ng maraming birthday ni God. Good as always. Sana huwag mo pabayaan yung sarili mo. Thank you kasi nakilala kita dito sa WePlay. Kayo ni Chowder. Hope to see you soon. Aning. Mama.
Hi, mami ko. Happy birthday. I know na hindi na tayo masyadong nakakapag-usap because meron tayong sarili-sariling fun, but always remember na I'm here always, and if you need chika-chika or if you need na mag-rant or may problem ka, I'm here always. And if hindi na kaya, just pray lang. I wish you a good health and enjoy your day. I miss you, mami ko. I love you. Happy birthday again.
Hello, Mamila. Happiest birthday sa'yo. Wishing you all the best and good health. Ingat palagi. I love you, Mamila. Mwah.
Happy birthday, Aning. Sana huwag ka na umiyak. Happy lang birthday mo ngayon. Then, huwag kang mag-alala. Mahal ka pa rin ng asawa mo. Mamaya, inom tayo. Shot po, no? Charot. Basta happy birthday. Alagaan mo yung sarili mo. Kasi may mga anak ka. Happy lang, ganon. Still pretty and sexy. Yan lang. Thank you. Huwag ka na malungkot. Oh, praise the Lord. Happy birthday.
Hi, Mami Lani! Yeah. Happy birthday! I know na hindi pa tayo ganun ka-close. Pero, yeah. Thank you so much kasi tinanggap mo si Mami. As anak mo, tinanggap mo din kami, na madami-dami kami. Ayun, wish you all the best. Sana okay ka. Sana masaya ka sa birthday mo. More birthdays to come. Yan lang. This is your Apple Ash. Love. Mwah.
Happy birthday, Mamila. Thank you for being Wawa and being yung apo. Basta yun. Tapos, pabaraot na din po. Yun lang po. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to my wonderful mommy. Thank you for everything me. Thank you for being my mom here. I love you always and always me. Ingat ka palagi. And stay what you are. Sobrang blessed namin na ikaw yung naging mami namin dito. Naging lola ng mga anak ko. You are such a good person po kasi. And thank you sa lahat-lahat. I love you, Mommy.
Happiest birthday to the most understanding person I ever known. I wish you nothing but happiness and all the things that you desire. Thank you for showing me what a true motherly love is, for being more than just a real mom. You know now what I mean. From our inside joke to the deep talks, I am beyond grateful that I have you who I can call my mommy. I just want you to know that I will always be here for you even though I am not really there physically. Once again, happy birthday. Love you.
Happy birthday po, Mami. I'm so lucky and thankful having you po as my mother. Kahit na anak mo lang po ako sa WePlay, pinaramdam mo po sa akin yung love and care na akala ko sa tunay na magulang ko lang mahanap. I'm wishing you po a happy birthday. Stay healthy and stay pretty as always po. Always remember po na mahal ko po kayo ni Daddy at mga kapatid ko. Again, happy birthday po, Mami. We will love you always.
Hello, Mommy. I want to take this moment to truly express my gratitude for having you in my life. Being in a long-distance relationship isn't always easy, but you make it feel effortless with your constant love and understanding. I treasure every moment we shared, whether it's a late-night video call or a simple text message. I love you more than words can express, and I'm looking forward to many more years of celebrating birthdays with you, hopefully in person soon. Happy birthday, Mommy. I love you.